There goes that Harley horn again. It's all business as usual. There they go. Yeah, there you go, see. Honking. Alright. These faggots all around. What's the matter, maggots? You don't like what I said on the call last night? You hear this noise? I don't give a fuck, I'm playing with the dog. This is how much a fuck I give about you lot. Bunch of tarts. Fucking pansies. Yeah. Dog's got the ball. Dog's lost the ball and it's a goal. And the moto mongs couldn't stop it because they're fat and overweight. They look like they're about to have a heart attack and they sit in Matlock Bath eating fish and chips. Yeah, fat cunts, faggots.